welcome back, everybody. Dr. Blumenthal back with you in the Bethesda office with Natural Transplants, and this, believe it or not, is Slick. Slick, good to see you again, man.
What's going on?
You look fantastic, man. You were here a year ago, and that was for your second procedure. You had done the first procedure with Dr. Huebner back in 2017, I believe. 2017, 2018, something like that? 18, okay. And so the first procedure was good, but you just want a little bit more pop to it, a little bit more density, and sure looks like you got it, man. It looks you look awesome. You look awesome.
It's a little addicted. You probably told me no. I might want another one.
You know what? I'm the same way. I just had my second. I'm a year from my second one, and I love it. And it looks fantastic. But I'm like, oh, maybe I want a little here, a little bit there. You know,
it is a little tweaking in there.
I know. I never thought I'd be like that. But overall, give us sort of how the year went. The good and the bad. How'd it go?
It was smooth. Like I said, besides the needles, because like I said, it's my second one. I'm like, oh no, it was painless. And I remember when you come and get your little numbing, I'm like, I remember this part, which is painless. It's just a little, it's a needle.
Yeah.
So other than that, like, I mean, it was pain free. I mean, I didn't have crazy swelling in my face and nothing like that I heard about.
Good.
Nothing like that. I mean, stitches came out smooth. I came back and get them out.
Yep.
And, I mean, like, you know, you just get, even though I knew like how the procedure worked, like, you know what I mean? You get a little ugly stage. And then
the awkward stages, there's definitely
and you start second guessing, like, why did I get this done? Like, oh my God, my hair's not gonna grow back.
Yeah.
And then a month later, I mean, it just starts sprouting and growing, and then you're looking in the mirror like, I can't believe, like,
it's awesome. That's why you did the procedure, you know? Yeah.
So anybody out there, don't get nervous after you got it done. Yeah. You think like, what did I do? Did they mess up? Is all my follicles dead?
Right. It's natural to go through that questionable phase, and then it comes back to you. And you were saying some friends and family, they noticed the difference in between.
Of course. They're like, I got a full head of hair. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
You know, first I had the little low cut. You know what I mean? Kept it even, but now I just been letting it grow and do its thing.
I love it, man. Well, what I'm going to have you do, we're going to put up the before pictures as well. And remember, this is after your second procedure, not your first, after your second. But what I'm going to have you do, just sort of look down for 2 or 3 seconds, and I'm going to have you kind of look to one side 2 or 3 seconds, and look to the other side, and we'll put up the before pictures as well too. So go ahead and look down for me. Yep, there you go. Looks good, man. Awesome. And then pick a side and hold it. And then opposite way. Beautiful. Beautiful. In the back, no issues from the scar? Okay.
Not at all.
Good. And you could go much shorter than that and it wouldn't be an issue, but I love it, man. It's like, man, you look incredible. It looks really, really good. So happy for you. Appreciate you doing this. And be in touch, man.
Cool.
All right. Take care, buddy. See you.
Call us now, 844-327-4247, and ask about our Hue and Hue Plus procedures, which move more hair than ever before. Hope to hear from you soon.